Construction projects are complex and involve many stakeholders and moving parts. Collaboration and communication software such as Microsoft Teams and Zoom can benefit quantity surveyors in a number of ways. Here we will take a look at how they could benefit you as a QS. Firstly, enhanced communication. One of the primary benefits of using Microsoft Teams and Zoom is the facilitation of real-time communication. Quantity surveyors often need to liaise with multiple stakeholders, including contractors, clients, architects, and engineers. These platforms allow for instant messaging, voice calls, and video conferences, ensuring that all parties can communicate effectively and swiftly address any issues that arise. For example, if there is a discrepancy in the cost estimate or a sudden change in project scope, a quick Zoom meeting can resolve the matter promptly, rather than trying to get everyone in the same room, preventing delays and additional costs. Document sharing and collaboration. This type of software can provide robust document sharing and collaborative editing features. Quantity surveyors deal with numerous documents such as bills of quantities, cost plans, and tender documents. With Microsoft Teams, these documents can be stored in a centralized location, accessible to all relevant parties. The ability to co-edit documents in real time means that updates can be made and reviewed collaboratively, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring that everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. Project management integration. Microsoft Teams integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft 365 applications such as Excel, Word, and Project. Quantity surveyors can link their cost estimates and budgets directly to project plans, ensuring that cost management is synchronized with project timelines and milestones. This integration helps in tracking expenditures against the budget, forecasting future costs, and making adjustments as necessary. Training and development. Continuous professional development is vital for quantity surveyors to stay up to date with the latest industry standards and practices. Collaboration software facilitates remote training sessions and webinars, allowing surveyors to gain new skills and knowledge without the need for travel. This ease of access to training resources ensures that quantity surveyors are well equipped to manage costs effectively, even as industry standards evolve. Data security and compliance. Data security is a significant concern in the construction industry, as in others, where sensitive financial and project information must be protected. Many collaboration platforms offer robust security features, including encryption and compliance with data protection regulations. This ensures that cost data and other confidential information are secure, reducing the risk of data breaches. In summary, these collaboration and communication platforms provide quantity surveyors in the UK with powerful tools to enhance efficiency and teamwork. By leveraging these platforms, surveyors can manage costs more effectively, helping to ensure that construction projects are completed within budget and on time. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.